Hello everyone, tonight for dinner we're having beef tips and noodles. So to start off, we're going to use our ingredients. We have meat, Worcestershire sauce, onion, cream of mushroom soup, broth, gravy, and mushrooms. Add that to a crock pot. First thing we're going to do is we're going to sear our beef. We're going to season it with some salt and pepper. You don't have to cook this for too long, you just want to get a nice color on that because it'll finish cooking in the crock pot. Go ahead and add that to your crock pot. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to cook a little bit of onions and mushrooms just to get some nice color on that. You don't have to cook it for too long. So just going to get a nice color on these onions and mushrooms. I'm going to break up the mushrooms a little bit as well. And then we're going to pour that into our crock pot on top of our beef. Next thing we're going to do is add a can of cream of mushroom soup. Then I'm going to add some beef broth right in there into the cup of soup. Pour that in. Next is we're going to add a packet of beef gravy right into the crock pot. Now I'm going to add about a spoonful of Worcestershire sauce, or however you pronounce it. We're going to also add some seasonings, thyme, garlic, and pepper. Stir that up very well. I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to set this on low for about 8 hours. We're going to check on it here in about 8 hours. So we're checking on our food. And my goodness, the smell in our house is just indescribably delicious. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to cook some egg noodles for a few minutes, and we're going to have a side of peas. Now I'm going to add some butter to the noodles. And here's our setup here. We're just going to stack that together, put the crock pot meal over your noodles, and that's the final.